Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. Already in my previous session, I completed different type of chemical properties of alcohol, and last category in the chemical properties of alcohol, that is oxidation. Today we will try to finish the oxidation and reactions with halogens. These are the remaining chemical properties from the cleavage involving in between the alkyl group and as well as the OH group. So first of all, oxidation. See, my dear students, whenever alcohol involved in the oxidation process to give carbonyl compound, it's nothing but carboxylic acid or aldehyde and ketones, etc. So important key point right now here, alcohol involved in the oxidation process to give carbonyl compound. And see here, in this process, reagents, what type of reagents are used here? Alkaline KMnO4 and sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7 or potassium dichromate or HNO3. These are the reagents are used in the oxidation process of alcohol. Okay, ma? This is also most important. So what are the reagents whenever alcohol involved in the oxidation process to give carbonyl compound? Reagents are alkaline KMnO4 and sodium dichromate and potassium dichromate. See, Na2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 and HNO3. Now in case of 1 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation process, how we will give carbonyl compound? See here, especially see, first this is the 1 degree alcohol. So this 1 degree alcohol reacted with nascent oxygen. These are the product RCHO, aldehyde is formed. Here initially aldehyde is formed. This aldehyde again treated with the oxygen, finally COOH, carboxylic acid is formed. So this is the process whenever 1 degree alcohol to give carbonyl compound. See, this is alcohol, 1 degree alcohol reacted with oxygen, aldehyde is formed initially. After that, that aldehyde again treated with easily oxidized with oxygen and finally carboxylic acid is formed. So here, in case of aldehyde and carboxylic acid containing the same number of carbon atom, And see example about general representation equation. This is the example. So see here, CH3 CH2OH, ethanol or other name is the ethyl alcohol. Oxidation in the presence of sodium dichromate or sulfuric acid. Sodium dichromate and sulfuric acid, these are the product. Ethanol is formed, CH3CHO, ethanol, aldehyde is formed. See here mechanism, CH3 as usual CH3 and here one H is present here and one more H is removed. Here one hydrogen is removed. So now what happened here, cleavage form in between the here OH bond and here H. So this H and this H, both of them separated means then CH3 C double bond O H is formed. This compound name is the acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde or nothing but ethanol. And again this product is treated with oxygen in the presence of Na2Cr2 O7. Now finally what happened here, CH3 as usual CH3 and C, my dear student, C double bond O as usual, but here oxygen from this compound is shifted to here. Oxygen is there. This oxygen is directly attacked to here. Finally ethanoic acid is formed. See carefully, 1 degree alcohol whenever involved in the oxidation process in the presence of the alkaline or acidified Na2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7, basically the final products are carbonyl compounds. Here in this 1 degree alcohol, intermediate product is the aldehyde, final product is the carboxylic acid. Is it clear, ma? After that, 2 degree alcohol. See here mechanism. 2 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation process, similar. Carboxylic acid is formed. See, my dear students, very carefully. This compound name is propane 2-ol. This compound name is the propane 2-ol. In the presence of Na2Cr2O7 and oxidation process, CH3 double bond O. This compound name is propan 2-on. Propan 2-on is formed here. Right now acetone. Here acetone is formed. In this above cases, intermediate product is aldehyde, but now here acetone, ketone product is formed. Again this ketone treated with vigorous condition. Hence what happened? Ethanoic acid is formed as well as the formic acid is formed. Formic acid. Here important point. In case of 2 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation process, the intermediate product is the ketone, final product is the carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. This is the formula of ethanoic acid, or common name is the acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid or ethanoic acid. This compound name is the methanoic acid or nothing but formic acid. Methanoic acid, this is acetic acid, common names acetic acid, formic acid, and ethanoic acid or methanoic acid. This is the important 2 degree alcohol is completed. Now 3 degree alcohol. Now my dear students, every students are seriously focused on this particular how to involve the 1 degree alcohol in the oxidation process, and 2 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation process also very important. Now see here 3 degree alcohol. In tertiary alcohol involved in the oxidation process with the help of HNO3. So these are the product. See carefully, what is this compound name? 2-methyl propane 2-ol. It's tertiary butyl alcohol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol, tertiary butyl alcohol in the presence of nitric acid. Now propan 2-on, acetone. This is group name is the acetone. CH3C, CH3 double bond O, acetone form. General name is the propan 2-on, acetone form. Here also intermediate product is the ketone. Even 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol, in the intermediate product is the ketones or ketone. This ketone again, its common name is the acetone. Acetone again treated with oxygen, acid oxygen in the presence of HNO3, ethanoic acid, acetic acid is formed as well as the methanoic acid is formed. Ethanoic acid and methanoic acid. These are the oxidation process alcohol. So once again important key points, my dear students. 1 degree alcohol involved in the oxidation, ultimately final product is the carboxylic acid, intermediate product is the aldehyde. Similarly 2 degree alcohol, intermediate product is the ketone, final product is the carboxylic acid. 3 degree alcohol, intermediate product is the ketone, ultimate product is the carboxylic acid. What are the reagents are used in this process? Alkaline KMnO4, Na2Cr2O7, acidified Na2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7 and nitric acid, HNO3 is used as an reagent. Sometimes my dear students, chromium trioxide also used. Here. So these are the oxidation process. And next one, reactions with halogens. So see, alcohol reacted with halogenation process. It means halogen involved in the halogenation process. These are the product. See here, what is this compound name? CH3CH2OH, this compound name is the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol involved in the oxidation process of chlorine. So what happened here? Ethanol. Ethanol means acetaldehyde is formed. This is a ethanol. CH3CHO, ethanol, aldehyde group, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is formed. Again this acetaldehyde is treated with chlorine. This is also oxidation process to remove of 3 hydrochloric acids. 3 HCl is removed. In this first case, water molecule is removed. After that, the acetaldehyde, this acetaldehyde reacted with 3 chlorine. Then finally, trichloroethanol. This compound name is the trichloroethanol. Our common name is the chloral. This is chloral, CHLO, LORAL, chloral, not choral, chloral. Chloral is formed. So this is the reactions with the halogen groups. Okay, ma? So the entire part of alcohol, all 3 category of chemical properties are completed. First one, the reactions involving cleavage of COH bond. After the second one, reactions involving cleavage of alkyl to hydroxyl group. And final, third classified total, both alkyl group as well as the hydroxyl group cleavages. So I successfully completed the complete chemical properties of the alcohol. After that, see here, important test, Lucas test, Victor-Meyer test. These are the confirmation test of the alcohol. Confirmation test of the alcohol. See here, Lucas. What is the Lucas combination? Important bit, no. A mixture of anhydrous ZnCl2 concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid, anhydrous ZnCl2 is commonly known as the Lucas mixture. Lucas mixture. It's called Lucas reagent. What is the Lucas reagent here? Anhydrous zinc chloride plus combination of concentrated sulfuric acid. It's clear? These are the Lucas test. In case of Lucas test, how we will confirm the 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol or 3 degree alcohol? How we will decide it? These are the 1 degree or 2 degree or 3 degree. So in case of 3 degree alcohol, for example, you will take a pinch of 3 degree alcohol, just add it to the Lucas test, immediately 2 to 3 seconds, within 2 to 3 seconds, the alcohol converted into white precipitate. So this is the confirmation test for the 3 degree alcohol. Now my question, my dear students, Lucas test, especially Lucas reagent fastly reacted with 3 degree alcohol. What is the confirmation test of the 3 degree alcohol right now here? If the Lucas mixer added to the 3 degree alcohol within fraction of second, it means 2 to 3 seconds, white precipitate is confirmed. If the white precipitates are formed inside of the test tube, it is a confirmation test of the 3 degree alcohol. It's a clear, ma? Next, 2 degree alcohol confirmation test. 2 degree alcohol also white precipitate is released or white precipitate is formed, but the time duration is maximum 9 to 10 minutes time duration. So very important point, comparing to out of the 3 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol is highly reacted with Lucas reagent. 2 degree alcohol moderated, but 1 degree alcohol does not give white precipitate at room temperature. So right now my question about Lucas test, which degree alcohol is highly reacted? 3 degree alcohol is more reacted. That's why 3 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 1 degree. These are the confirmation test of the alcohol with the help of the Lucas reagent. And Fenton's reagents also. What is the Fenton's reagent combination? Ferrous sulfate and hydrogen peroxide. These are the important bits in board level. Lucas test, Lucas reagents, anhydrous ZnCl2 plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Fenton's reagent, FeSO4 plus hydrogen peroxide. It's a clear, ma? This is the first test to confirmation of the alcohol. Second one, Victor-Meyer test. This is also important test, my dear students. Victor-Meyer test. Commonly the Victor-Meyer test is known as RBW test. RBW test. It means, why it's called RBW test means red, blue and white. Red, blue and white. See, my dear students, in Victor-Meyer test, in this test, the unknown alcohol is converted into corresponding nitroalkane with the
treated with nitrous acid followed by alkalifying the solution. The behavior of the nitroalkane obtained from the given alcohol indicates the nature of the alcohol. The test is carried out in the following 3 steps. So step number 1 is the given alcohol is treated with red phosphorus and iodine to converted into the corresponding alkyl iodine, and the alkyl iodine is taken treated with silver nitrate to obtain the corresponding nitroalkanes. The nitroalkanes is finally treated with nitrous acid and the resulting solution is made alkaline. So in the Victor-Mayer test is the most important. In this category, 1 degree alcohol, listen very carefully, 1 degree alcohol to give red, 1 degree alcohol to give the red color, 2 degree alcohol to give blue color, but 3 degree alcohol there is no color, So very important. If blood red color coloration appear, blood red coloration is appear, the given alcohol is a 1 degree. If blue color is appear, the alcohol is given alcohol is a 2nd degree. But 3 degree point of view, what happen here, there is no any color. So see here, first of all, this is a 1 degree, this is a 2 degree, this is the 3 degree. In case of 1 degree, see this is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol whenever reacted with red phosphorus in the presence of the iodine, it converted into alkyl iodine. This is the alkyl iodine, RCH2I, alkyl iodine. This alkyl iodine again treated with AgNO2, Ag silver nitrate, AgNO2, finally nitrate is formed. Additionally nitrous acid is also coming, nitrate and nitrous. So this is the actually after that Sinana. This compound RC here, RCH2NO2 treated with nitrous acid, HNO2 treated with nitrous acid, finally nitrolic acid is formed. Nitrolic acid, this is the nitrolic acid. This nitrolic acid again treated with sodium hydroxide, ultimately red color precipitates, red color solutions form inside of the test tube. So see important confirmation test of the primary alcohol in the Victor-Mayer test. First you will take a small quantity of 1 degree alcohol, it's added to the red phosphorus in the presence of iodine, alkyl iodine is formed. This alkyl iodine again treated with the silver nitrate and ultimately nitrate is formed. Additionally nitrous acid is formed. This nitrate RCH2NO2 again treated with HNO2 and nitrolic acid is formed. This nitrolic acid treated with sodium hydroxide alkaline solution, ultimately red color solutions form inside of the test tube. If red color solutions form inside of the test tube after combinations of these chemicals, that is a confirmation test for the 1 degree alcohol. It's clear? 1 degree from the Victor-Mayer test, according to Victor-Mayer test, 1 degree alcohol to confirm the red color solution. This is the most important. If blood red coloration is appear, the given alcohol is the primary alcohol. It's clear, ma? After that, 2 degree alcohol. The same process also going on to here. 2 degree alcohol, this is the 2 degree alcohol, I have not mentioned in equation. 2 degree alcohol combinations with red phosphorus and iodine, same concept. R2, here R2CHI, alkyl iodide is formed, 2 degree alkyl iodide. After that, this compound treated with silver nitrous, AgNO2, then 2 degree nitroalkane is formed. This is the 2 degree nitroalkane. This 2 degree nitroalkane again treated with nitrous acid. These are the nitrous acid. Finally, what product is released? Actually, R2CNO2NO. This is common name is a pseudo-nitroso or pseudo-nitrol derivation. Pseudo-nitrol derivation is formed. This pseudo-nitrol derivation again treated with sodium hydroxide solution. Here I am not mentioned here, sodium hydroxide solution. After that, it's converted into blue color appearance solution. So if blue color solutions appear in the inside of the test tube, that is taken the alcohol name is the 2 degree alcohol. See very carefully, listen my dear students. 1 degree alcohol to give always red color solution, 2-degree alcohol is always to give blue color solution with in Victor-Mayer test. But 3-degree alcohol, these are the 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alcohol, very important point, the solution remains colorless. Here 3-degree alcohol not give any kind of the solution. It means 3-degree alcohol never responds with Victor-Mayer test. If for example the same process is going on in the 3-degree alcohol, but after final combinations of sodium hydroxide, there is no any color inside of the test tube. It is a confirmation test of the 3-degree alcohol. So color is not existed. These are the confirmation test of the 1-degree alcohol and 2-degree alcohol and 3-degree alcohol in case of the Victor-Mayer test. Listen my dear students, in chemistry laboratory, 2 major confirmation tests are available according to alcohol testing. So number 1 is the Lucas test. What is the Lucas reagent name? Anhydride ZnCl2 plus concentrated sulfuric acid. After that Fenton's reagent. Fenton's reagent is FeSO4 and hydrogen peroxide. And Victor-Mayer test. Victor-Mayer test, these are the combination. What is the first point in the Victor-Mayer test? The given alcohol is treated with red phosphorus and iodine to convert it into the corresponding alkyl iodine. The second one is the alkyl iodine is then treated with silver nitride to obtain the corresponding nitroalkane. The nitroalkane is finally treated with nitrous acid or diluted sulfuric acid, and the resulting solution is made alkaline. These are the chemical properties of the alcohol and confirmation test of the alcohol. In my next class, some important facts about the alcohol we are going to discuss. Some important terms of alcohol, different type of terms. These are also very important in competitive entrance point of view. See here, rectified spirit. Spirit is nothing but commonly alcohol. Rectified spirit, this is the most important terms in alcohol. Rectified spirit means 95.5% ethyl alcohol and 4.5% of water. So approximately 96% of ethyl alcohol is commonly called rectified spirit. So in the rectified spirit, it's not 100%, 96% only ethyl alcohol is there. Remaining percentage water combination. That's why rectified spirits are commonly known as azotropic solution. So important point, rectified spirits is equal to 95.5% of ethyl alcohol, 4.5% of water. And second one, absolute alcohol. Absolute alcohol means exact 100%. There is no any water percentage here. Absolute. So complete pure alcohol. Purest and pure alcohol is a absolute alcohol. 100% ethanol is commonly known as absolute alcohol. And power alcohol. My dear students, these terms frequently coming in the different industrialization process or different medical, for example, alcohol are used in the different purpose, medicinal purpose or industrial purpose. These terms are very, very important. For example, here absolute alcohol means 100% pure alcohol, and rectified alcohol means 95.5% ethyl alcohol plus 4.5% water. Next, power alcohol. Power alcohol means the combination of ethyl alcohol, benzene, petrol. Combination of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol formula C2H5OH, benzene C6H6, petrol. You know petrol octane C8H18. These are the power alcohol. What is the combination of the power alcohol? Ethyl alcohol, benzene and petrol. And methylated spirit. Methylated spirit means rectified spirit with 0.5% of methanol. So rectified spirit means the combination of ethyl alcohol and water. So here methylated spirit means it's a spirit. Ethyl alcohol is additionally methanol also there. Methanol means CH3OH also there. So rectified spirit plus 0.5% of methanol is commonly known as the methylated spirit. Next, denatured spirit. See here, rectified spirit plus pyridine combination. You know, these spirits are generally used in the lab, chemistry lab. If unfortunately any one of the person take this spirit, definitely is face problem in eye problem, throat problems also. So denatured means is not a natural, denatured, the quality is gone. So that's why here denatured spirits is nothing but rectified spirit with pyridine combination. And wash. So wash means 10% to 12% of alcohol. So where is this word is coming mean? My dear students, in the preparation of ethyl alcohol, initially you know that very well, in the fermentation of the carbohydrate, actually carbohydrates reacted with or carbohydrate combinations with the yeast bacteria, yeast to produce two enzyme invertase and gymase. In this process, the invertase converted into carbohydrate into a ethyl alcohol. In this process, initially 0 to 10 to 12% alcohol is formed. The percentage, the concentrate percentage of 10 to 12% of alcohol is commonly known as wash. Wash is nothing but 10% to 12% of alcohol. It's clear, ma? Next, grain spirit. Generally, ethyl alcohol are commonly known as the grain spirit. And raw spirit. Raw spirit means 90% of alcohol is commonly known as raw spirit. And ninth one, wood spirit. Wood spirit means methanol. Methyl alcohol is commonly known as the wood spirit. And ternary mixer. Ternary mixer means ethyl alcohol, benzene, water. Ethyl alcohol, benzene, water. It's commonly known as the ternary mixer. And binary mixer. Binary mixer means benzene, ethyl alcohol. Binary mixer means benzene, ethyl alcohol. These terms are very, very important. Again, see here carefully. Rectified spirit 95.5 ethanol plus 4.5 water. Absolute alcohol 100%. Power alcohol, ethanol plus benzene plus petrol. Methylated spirit, rectified spirit plus 0.5% of methanol. Denatured spirit, rectified spirit plus pyridine. Wash 10% to 12% of alcohol is commonly known as wash. Grain spirit, ethyl alcohol. Raw spirit 90% of alcohol. Wood spirit, methanol. Ternary mixer, ethanol plus benzene plus water. Binary mixer, benzene plus ethyl alcohol. Okay, my dear students, I successfully completed introduction part of alcohol, classification of alcohol, nomenclature of alcohol, and physical properties of alcohol, chemical properties of alcohol. In chemical properties, 3 classification, cleavage between COH, cleavage between COH bond and both cleavages, and finally confirmation test, Lucas test and Victor Meyer test, and some important facts. In my class, we will start the conversion. Conversions are very, very important. Conversions and uses. After that, alcohol chapter should be completed. Okay, ma?